BMC to shift part of Dadar's wholesale vegetable and flower market soon. Decision taken yesterday at a meeting chaired by Mayor Kishori Padnekar, but will today discuss and have a final word with the Market Association on this. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to hold an emergency meeting after the national capital reported more than 500 cases, meeting to take place at 11:30 a.m. today. So Ayushman is tracking the overall national situation and also Delhi in particular. First, Ayushman, on Delhi, the number of daily cases is much less than the other states, but still for a small state like Delhi, the numbers have gone above 500. What are the worrying trends and patterns from Delhi? And tell us more about how the state government, the Delhi government, is handling it at the moment.
Well, Frida, if you remember yesterday, the health secretary had pointed out that Delhi's RT-PCR percentage of testing is still more than 70%, which is satisfactory. And the fact that the positivity rate remains below 1% is also very much plausible. But at the same time, yesterday, in last 24 hours, the national capital has reported more than 500 cases. And that is something that has to be viewed by the Delhi Chief Minister today. And if you see in the past few days, the COVID cases have been consistently rising in a very small fashion. So currently the trend is marginal. It is marginal increase, but still it's an increase. And an increase always has to be looked upon in a larger perspective. And for that only Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, is going to hold an emergency meeting with the health officials are going to come. The Health Minister will be there to review the situation of COVID in the national capital. Still the percentage of positivity in the national capital is below 1%. But Delhi government not taking any chances. They have been conducting more than 50,000 tests regularly, and that is why the positivity is less than 1%. Still, considering that marginal rise, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, has called for an emergency meeting. After this meeting, there may be some announcement on the measures which are to be taken. But for now, the marginal increase is also not being taken lightly by the Delhi government. They are holding a meeting to discuss this.
All right, but the positivity rate in Delhi is less than 1%, of course, which reminds us that Maharashtra in that sense has reached another level. Disha was telling us in some parts it's close to 20%. On some dates, that is the kind of level it has reached.